Hey everyone, Unity 2021.1 VFX Graph now supports skinned mesh sampling, but until the recording of this video, there is no official documentation for it yet. So in this video, I'll try to give you an idea of how to use it and some tips that might help you. To get started, you need to make sure you're using Unity 2021.1 or higher. In this scene, I have this character I got from Mixamo with a dance animation. First thing, you need to enable read and write on the model itself. Now let's create a visual effect graph. In the output, let's add a skinned mesh position and connect a skinned mesh renderer to it and make it expose property. Next, add a set position block and from it connect a transform, and we'll have a transform property here. And for the position, we want to get position current, and we don't need velocity here. Let me also increase the spawn rate and capacity and decrease the scale a bit. And we don't need this block now. Let's use the default particle. Let's go back to the scene. And in skinned mesh render field, we want to put the skinned mesh for this character. I have two here, one for the joints and one for the surface. I will add the surface. Let me just change the blend mode to additive. Now for the transform, add component VFX property binder, then add transform. In property, put the exact name from the transform property in your graph. For the target, you're supposed to put the root bone of your model. For example, if we play the animation now, you can see the part that doesn't move. That's the root. In this model, it's called hips, so we can go back and edit as target. Play the animation again. That's better. Now let's reset the position. And if you want the particles to follow the model, all you need is just to move these two blocks to initialize. And you can do cool stuff with it. If you have ideas for effects you would like to see or other tutorials, let me know in the comments and make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss them. Thank you for watching.